In this video, we will show you how to make heading selection permanent in Explorer Windows 11. In here, when you confuse, when you already set the heading selections, okay, for example, in the documents, we already have name, date modified, type, and size. When you creating outdoor, okay, when you right click and adding outdoor here, if you open the folder inside it, you can see the outdoors not showing. How to make the outdoor is permanent also inside the folder. Okay, you can do this. Okay, for example, we open documents in the root of the directory of documents. We just click here and choose options, and you can see you can select view and click apply to folders and click yes. When you click OK here, you can see all inside the folders also have the outdoors heading. You can see. But unfortunately, the Windows 11 doesn't have menu to make the settings applied on all drive or path. So when you open pictures, maybe the pictures is not the same. You can click view and choose the tiles here, and you can see in the pictures doesn't have the outdoors but have a tag. If you can see in the documents, it different, we just said earlier. And if you want to add the outdoor also, okay, for example, you adding outdoor, okay, and click OK here. You can also apply in here in options and select view and choose apply to folder. So inside the folder later also will be or will have the outdoors tag. You can see. And also it's the same into music, into another with the drive. Okay, you can set add outdoor if you want. Okay, like this, and this is will be permanent. Okay, but you need to click options so you don't confuse with this, and click apply to folder and click yes. When you have a new folder here, it will just show your latest heading selections. Okay, you can see now there is still have the outdoors like we said before in the documents and picture. You can set also in the music if you want. And that's all tutorial how to make heading selections permanent in Windows 11. Actually, if we are using the File Explorer. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.